Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica and today I have an unboxing. Dun 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 dun. It's Calico Critters and I got this off of Amazon for about $9 and some change. I got it on the Amazon warehouse. The baby did not come like that. I actually already opened it. The box was damaged, which I am okay with that because it helped me save some money. But the dolls came in perfect condition, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these. Okay, here's the little baby. So we've got a son, a father, a mother, and a daughter. They are so cute. It would have been cuter if she had like a little head accessory, but you know what? I'm crafty and I can do that all on my own. So these are the first Calico Critters that I ever owned, like ever. I've never owned Calico Critters in my entire life. So these are my first ones. And they are so freaking cute. They are so soft and fuzzy and I love it. It's like they're flocked and it's like it's not overpowering it. It's beautiful. I love the details on them. They're gorgeous. And you know, even though the box was damaged, they came out really good. There's no imperfections that I can see. And they got freaking little clothes on. And I think the clothes can be removed. Let's see. Squeaky chair. Oh my goodness. And it velcros in the back. Sorry, Papa. And the velcro's in the back, and you can remove these. You know what? I'm gonna be making some doll clothes for the Calico Critters. They're so freaking adorable. And they got little tails. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And the arms do move up and down, which is nice. The heads do turn a little bit. That's so cool. Can they sit? They can sit. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. Now, about the tails that I've noticed, it is basically a pipe cleaner. That is basically what the tail is a pipe cleaner. So I wouldn't be like bending it too much because it could probably fall off. But I mean, like, it's so freaking adorable that they even added tails. So she's got a little brown nose and black eyeballs. And her dress is a minty green and it's got some little white detailing on it and some pink ribbon. It's super beautiful and I love the collar. Mama's got, oh Mama, your dress is kind of bulky. Okay, so it's blue and it's beautiful with a shade of pink ribbon and another collar. She can sit too, which is nice. Her arms do move up and down. Head does pivot a little bit, turning to the side. She got a little brown nose and black eyeballs, and she's got a big bushy pipe cleanery tail, and it's super cute. And it's cute. That is adorable. I am overall impressed. I love that they can stand up on their own. Okay, and Papa, he's got these cute little overalls on. It doesn't look like they want to stay closed though, because his tail is really big. That's what she said. Okay, and then his shirt does open, which is a nice addition. I love the freaking little buttons. Oh my goodness, these are so freaking tiny. They're so cute. His arms move up and down. He can sit. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, he can sit. And there's a little stiff. That's what she said. Okay, and turning the head. Super cute. And I love the brown, but I love the shirt. Like, I love the colors. It's red, white, blue. It's like a minty green blue that matches his daughter's. And it's got brown and pink, and it's super cute. The son got the same pants. Papa fell. Okay, and he's got this cute little shirt. His pants actually do close, it looks like. And his shirt can open. I just love the detailing on these and the little buttons and those little collars. Like, me and collars, we just don't get along when I am trying to make a collar. But these are so perfect. I love them. Look at this tail. Like, oh my goodness, these so freaking cute. I love these. So if you don't have any Calico Critters and you are looking to get a Calico Critter family, definitely check on Amazon right now because they are still on sale. And if I still have that clip of, like, I had recorded a clip of like where I got it, I will link it somewhere in this video. If not, enjoy the rest. So to talk about this house that the Calico Critters are now going to live in their first home, my aunt actually made this a couple of years ago. It was her first log cabin that she made out of plastic canvas, and she never finished it, and she didn't like it because it is lopsided and it is crooked and it's not perfect. But you know what? It is perfect for renovating for my first family of Calico Critters, which is the yellow Labradors. This is what the inside looks like. If you look over here, you will see that this is like a living room area. There's a little fireplace, and we got the front door. The windows, they're just like made into it, and then you got the stairs that are very lopsided. I'm gonna have to like redo these because they are very, very crooked. And I wouldn't like if it was me, I don't think she used like stiff plastic, but I think if I do eventually making new stairs, I think I will just double up the plastic so it'll be extra sturdy. And then over here is the kitchen, but it does not look like this without the kitchen net thingy. This is actually a Fisher-Price, so this is what it looks like. This is actually a Fisher-Price kitchen that I had got thrifting a couple of years ago. I knew it was a good investment. I think it was like 99 cents, and I got it at Goodwill, and I knew it was a good thing because I eventually wanted to get some Calico Critters. Like, I had got this before I had gotten the log cabin that my aunt was throwing away, and it's got like a little dishwasher, and there's the little oven. It does open, so that's cute. Little sink, little coffee pot, like, oh my goodness, the coffee pot is adorable. And then you got the little pot and everything. Like, I just love Fisher-Price items. And then you got the little phone. Like, it's so freaking cute. And I'm glad I had bought this when I did, because I just knew that I would eventually get me a Calico Critter. Come here, Mama. Let me see. Yeah, see, it's not too bad. I mean, it is a little taller than she is, but overall, it's not too bad. So, yeah. So she never did make the roof, and I'm supposed to make the roof, but I did go ahead and close it up a couple of years ago because it was falling apart because she left it open, which is fine. Like, I don't really need a roof anytime soon. So when you make the log cabin out of the pattern, it does come with like a lot of furniture and stuff. I think her dog had eaten all the furniture, or she just didn't make it any that time. But it's been in our shed for a couple of years because I've never like had the use for it until now. So this could be like the kids' room, and then this could be the parents' room, which is so cool because there is plenty of room for them. And the reason why it's falling over is because of the stairs. The stairs is like basically the foundation that holds it up. So I'm just gonna have to like oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna have to like fix that, like I said. So come here, Mama. You gotta do it over here. Not you, Muffin. I'm sorry. Ah! Daddy fell. Stay, Papa. Stay, Mama. There you go. Okay, so like I said, if I fix the stairs, it will rise up. I'm just holding the stairs up and it will rise up. So that is going to be a work in progress. I am going to be making some furniture coming soon. Probably not out of plastic canvas anytime soon, but I do plan on making some furniture for this. So knowing that the scale is good, it makes me excited because there's so many patterns out there that are for this in plastic canvas. And if you are interested in that and seeing like my progress of like the furniture that I make, knowing that the scale is good for plastic canvas and the log cabin, it just makes me so excited because it makes me want to like make stuff and to decorate this log cabin. Like, it means like I don't have to do like a whole bunch of work by making the log cabin itself, but I do need to refix the stairs, obviously, because when you do it, it will look better. And I just think it's beautiful because now, you know, my family, they have like their own home, and it's so cool. It's made just for them, basically, even though this was made long before them. But I definitely will have to like make a new kitchen probably because it is a little too high up for the mama, or I can just like make her a stool, you know. But I think it's really cute for like their first home. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.